Oh my God. See ya. You're gonna die. It's so good. Yeah. Happy cooking. Look at that. We're experiencing Thailand in our own kitchen.
Yeah, my mouth just traveled.
You just close your eyes, it's like you're there. Hopscotch the Globe isn't just about traveling halfway across the world to experience a culture. We want to show you that you can bring culture into your day-to-day life in the comforts of your home. And one of the greatest ways to do that is by cooking food from different cultures. Thailand is one of our favorite countries, and one of the reasons why it is because the food is so delicious. I love being able to cook it at home and kind of reminisce about our experiences that we've had throughout our travels in Thailand and get a taste of the country just in Canada, in my own kitchen. And that's what I want to bring to you guys. These recipes are really easy to make and super delicious, authentic. I learned how to make them on the streets of Bangkok. So let's get cooking. Some pad thai, we're gonna make some mango sticky rice and some Thai iced tea. First up, we're gonna make some street style pad thai. This is a super simple, fast recipe. You can make it in under 20 minutes easily. So if you're looking for something to cook tonight that doesn't take long, is super delicious and very cultural, pad thai is the way to go. For the pad thai itself, you're gonna need shallots, fresh chives, tofu, rice stick noodles, bean sprouts, palm sugar, an egg, some peanuts, and sesame seeds. Okay, so I'm gonna chop up some tofu now. You wanna rinse your tofu too, because it's got all this like liquidy stuff. We don't want that. Yes, you might hear a baby in the background. She wants pad thai. She's like, Mom, pad thai, now! And she's only 3 months, what? What's really cool is pad thai, the whole like history of it is very interesting. It was during World War II. There was a shortage in rice. So the government was encouraging people to use noodles instead. And then there was this, at the time too, the Prime Minister was wanting to make Thailand more independent and like westernized. So one of the ways he wanted to do that was to hold a cooking competition. They held a cooking competition, and one of the dishes was pad thai. That is when it was made, and it became the national dish. The government even gave free food stall carts to restaurants that were willing to cook and sell pad thai on the streets. So that's pretty cool. And now it's a national dish. It's like people travel to Thailand to have authentic pad thai. It's a staple. It's on every menu. To save time, soak the rice noodles before you start cutting everything else up. I forgot to do that. So you can just soak them in some filtered water before you throw them on the pan to cook. As it gets soft, I'm just gonna push them down more, but I'll set that aside for now. Before I get cooking everything, frying all this up, the onions and the tofu and that, I'm going to make the pad thai sauce. For the pad thai sauce, you're gonna need palm sugar, fish sauce, tamarind concentrate. I'm using this ginger tamarind sauce mix, which I really like because I love ginger, and sriracha. Sriracha. You know what I'm talking about. You're gonna wanna bring the sauce to a boil. So I'm gonna turn that up. As soon as it starts bubbling, I'm gonna turn it right off and take the sauce off the burner. Does it smell yummy? You can't try it yet though. Maybe like a little bit. Like a little bit of the sauce. What do you think? This part happens really fast. So I'm just taking some coconut oil so I can fry up the onion and the tofu. I put in the shallot and I'm gonna add in the tofu. Not the green onions just yet. Hey, green onion got in there. Sneaky guys, that's okay. Okay, well that tofu gets a nice golden brown. I wanted to share that you don't have to constantly be traveling to experience a culture. That's not realistic for most people. Most people only have a couple weeks, 3 weeks out of the year to travel and experience a new culture. But you can do it in the comforts of your own home, and a great way to do that is through food. So that's why we are cooking today, and we're gonna be doing more cooking tutorials and cooking videos on this channel. I'm just gonna drain out this water. That's pretty good for right now. Yeah, right, I'm gonna add in the noodles. Whoop. Along with 1/4 cup of water. Let the noodles get nice and soft. Do a little dance, make a little love, and wait. And letting the noodles cook for about 5 minutes or so. If you're adding egg, which you would in the traditional street pad thai, you push the noodles and the tofu to the side, and then just crack the egg on the other side of the pan. Just gonna let that cook up. Now we're gonna add in the sauce. That looks so good. It smells amazing. Buying all these ingredients isn't that expensive either. It's a very affordable dish to make, especially if you have a big family or you have friends coming over and you want to impress them. Yeah, throw those in. Bam! Kai is getting a little impatient. She wants her pad thai. That is done. We can set it aside and move on. The hardest part about this is not eating all of the mango beforehand. Maybe just like a little piece is okay, right? Right? Oh. We also have some water boiling for the Thai iced tea, which we're gonna be making. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons to 2 cups of water, and you can add more depending on how strong you want it. I find 4 tablespoons, 2 cups of water is like perfect for my preference. It smells heavenly in here. I can smell the rice and I can smell the tea. The mixture of the two, the combination is like making this whole place smell so delicious, so sweet. Now that the coconut milk and sugar salt combination has come to a boil, I turned it right off and I'm going to transfer the rice, the sticky rice, into this pot and also make sure it's like taken off the burner. I'm gonna let the rice absorb the coconut milk. I'm gonna leave it covered in the pot for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna finish off the Thai iced tea and then we can have our Thai iced tea, eat our pad thai, and by the time that's all done, our dessert will be ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the tea into my French press. You can also use cheesecloth to do this. I just find that the French press is a lot easier and a lot less messy. So then I can sift it through right away. That is some dark tea, just the way I like it. And look at that beautiful orange color, it's so pretty. Ooh. And I can actually add some more ice to this because it's already melted. So good. Oh my God. I might not share with Sia. And that is it. We got 3 Thai experiences for my taste buds to dance over. We're gonna devour it in a sec, but before I do, I wanted to let you know that the recipes, all the recipes are up on our blog, hopscotchtheglobe.com. You can click on the iCard and it will take you over there. You can look in the description box below and click the link, it will take you there as well. And you can find the full recipes for the mango sticky rice as well as the Thai iced tea, and I've also included the pad thai on there. So if you are a reader who likes to read as they cook to see step-by-step instructions, head on over to our blog, check it out, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think of all of these meals and what your taste buds thought of all these meals. The only thing left to do is eat. Oh, big. Oh, that's good. Topped it with some peanuts and some sesame seeds. That's good. Thai iced tea. And last but not least, mango sticky rice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sia, you're gonna die. It's so good. It's good. Yeah. Yeah. Happy
Wow.
cooking. Look at that. We're experiencing Thailand in our own kitchen.
Yeah, my mouth just traveled.
You just close your eyes. It's like you're there.
Wow.
So good.